Hello friends, so I'm solving the problems from the Leetcode contents 404. So this is the first problem. So let me open this maximum height of a triangle. So what it is given is we are given the two types of walls. See, red and blue. Okay, this could be any number, and then we have to construct the this kind of triangle, which will basically provide us the maximum height. Okay, so let me explain it on diagrammatically so that it will make a better sense. So guys, suppose we have 10 red wall and 5 blue walls. Okay, now we will try to construct the rectangle. So see here, if let's say if I am starting with the red balls. Okay, so I can start one of the combination is, let's say if I am starting with the 5 balls at the bottom, then second one would be taking 4 blue balls, right? N minus 1 every time takes. Okay, then it would be like 3. But if I place the one blue ball any here, it wouldn't make a, first of all, it would not be a your rectangle. Okay, so let's say if I put this here, blue here, or here, because I have only one, right? Or here, and this is not a proper at all, this is not a proper rectangle itself. So we have to make our combination in such a way, so this would not be, even its height would be 3 only, right? If I go, because this will not be, only one we can place, and this height would be 3 only, and also this is not a proper triangle. So to make a triangle, our intention is that top should be always one ball. Okay, doesn't matter whether it is blue ball or red ball, but our intention should be that our top ball should be starting with the 1. So if I start with the this kind of consideration, let's say I'm considering here with the this ball, blue ball, then next line would be taking the this plus 1, means 1 plus 1, 2 balls, and similarly so plus 1 every time, and alternatively we have to put the balls. So we have to find which one will give the maximum height, considering we have to either start with the blue one at top of it, means with the 1, and we have to also check the combination when we are starting with the red, and both of them, whoever is giving us the maximum height, that should be basically our answer. So this would be the intention behind this question. Okay, so we should start that the top of it should be end with the 1 ball, then only it would become a proper triangle, and then the maximum triangle. So we have only two possibility, either top would be blue or red. So with this consideration, let me show you my code, how I proceeded. See here, so I have written one utility function called max height. So in red and in blue, these are two variables. Okay, it is not necessarily always red and blue. So these two parameters I am passing. So initially my pick would be 1, right? Because we are starting from the top of it, and top of it is 1 ball only. So initially pick equal to 1, height equal to 0, and we are taking max flag. Okay, so this flag is basically to alternatively check, okay, that which one ball has to be picked this time. So this would be for this guy, first one. So initially we are making it obviously true, because first of all we have to put the very first ball. So I am using this while true. So if max flag is true, okay, so that means we are looking for the red ball. We have to do the operation with the red ball, means the first parameter. So see here, if red count, if the number of balls is 0 or it is less than pick, because initially pick is 1 but later it would be increased, right? In that case we are stopping, so we have to break it out, right? Because if balls itself is not available anymore, that means we have to break the loop itself. It wouldn't be possible to further proceed. Okay, otherwise we are making the red equal to red minus pick. So initially it is 1, and then height would be increased by 1, and pick also would be increased by 1, because we starting with 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, then 3, similarly, right? And at the same time I am changing this boolean variable max flag equal to false, so that we can next time when we will come through, we have to pick for blue. Okay, so now after doing this, we are going to, so this is when this is true. Okay, If it is not true, that means we have to operate on the second ball, which is the second parameter, blue ball. So in this case, again, we are checking if this blue is 0 or blue is less than pick, then there is no point. We have to break it. Otherwise, we have to make blue is equal to blue minus pick. And max flag we are making again changed, so that we will operate next time for the other color of the ball, and increasing the height plus plus and increasing the pick value plus plus. Okay, so this entire thing would be alternatively changing the balls and updating the available balls. Now this function I am using in my main function. So let me show you what I am doing here is, so see here, I have called the max height function alternatively on both wells. First parameter I am making red, that means I am starting with the red top equal to red ball. Okay, so red first parameter, then blue, so it will, I am storing the value in x, then I am calling this function with blue on the top, so y equal to, so blue, this time I am taking blue as on top of it, and then whoever is giving me max value, that is my answer. This is what I am doing. So let me execute this code. Yeah, so it is working fine. So let me go to submit as well. So I am putting the submit button. Yeah, so this is 100% faster. So so thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any concern, please make a comment over there.